Hi there, SK again. I'm sure you have heard about how nasty a contractor trying to find extra money from your projects, right? Allow me to share with you a story on one of my good friend Rosalie working for an IT department for a government agency. Rosalie was called in by his boss. Rosalie, after you finish your software project this week, your next assignment is the design and construction of a 2-story data center. Rosalie replied, "Boss, I don't have any experience in constructions or engineering related type of projects." The boss just said, "Just proceed, you will learn from your projects." Rosalie also discovered, because their government agency, they have a list of preferred contractors and they are using direct negotiations as a method. One contractor who was shortlisted called for a last final round of internal meeting. The contractor CEO instruct the team members, since the customer do not know what they want, can we purposely remove the staircase plus some other things as well? So the direct negotiation proceeds, contract was signed. Few months later, Rosalie arrived at the data center. Rosalie discovered the ground floor was done, the first floor was done, but there was a missing staircase. Rosalie started to question the seller. "Where is the staircase?" The seller said, "Mr. Rosalie, we have designed and construct the data center according to your requirement. Take a look at the contract. There is no staircase." Immediately, Rosalie feel that he has been fall into the trap of some of those nasty contractors, whereby they will use a typical what we call variation order to make more money from this project. So lesson learned, Rosalie have to justify the extra money to build the staircase. Few more months later, Rosalie discovered the data center was built without an emergency exit, another trap set up by the contractor. So Rosalie came to me, "Mr. SK, what should I do in my next project?" I responded, "In the near future, if you are as a project manager stepping into a new type of projects, perhaps you should engage an external consultant to do a proper work breakdown structure and scoping for you. Perhaps you should have more open tender processes, tighten up instead of direct negotiations. In this particular case, you need to ensure whatever the deliverables coming from the contractor must fit for purpose." What is the purpose for a double-story data center if the 2 stories are not connected? So, Mr. Rosalie, hopefully with the following tips, you can salvage your next trouble projects. Good luck to your next project.